Hey everyone, in today's video, we're checking out how WPS AI can seriously boost your productivity when working inside WPS Office. I've been using these features for a while now, and they've helped me speed up writing, editing, and organizing my documents more than I expected. If you don't have WPS Office yet, go ahead and download it using the link in the description so you can follow along with all the tools I'm about to show you. Let's get started. Open up WPS Office, then either launch a new document or pull up something you're already working on. At the top of your screen, you'll find the WPS AI button. Clicking it opens the AI panel where features like content creation, summarization, and editing help you work faster and more efficiently. Need help creating content? Whether it's an email, a proposal, or a report paragraph, just type your request into the AI prompt for instant assistance. WPS AI will instantly generate a draft for you, which you can refine, adjust, or regenerate until it matches the tone and style you're going for. If you're looking to polish what you've already written, highlight that text and choose from tools like rewrite, polish, shorten, expand, or fix grammar. In just seconds, WPS AI transforms rough ideas into clear, structured, and professional writing, saving you time and helping you organize your thoughts better. WPS AI can also summarize long sections, convert text into bullet points, adjust the tone of your writing, or reorganize your content. Just tell it what you need and it does the heavy lifting, helping you focus more on your ideas and less on the formatting. And just like that, you're working faster, smarter, and more efficiently, all thanks to WPS AI's built-in tools. If you're not using WPS Office yet, grab it through our link in the description below and unlock all these AI-powered features to boost your workflow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a productivity tip. And before you head out, be sure to watch our following tutorial: how to convert any image to PDF for free using WPS Office. You'll find it linked on screen and in the description. See you in the next one.